Picture this, two humanoid robots going head-to-head in an MMA cage. No CGI, no Hollywood magic, this is happening for real. Just days ago, the world witnessed something incredible at the Mech Combat Arena in Hangzhou, China. I'm talking about the Unitree G2 robots throwing punches, landing kicks, and knocking each other down, just like human fighters. It's like real steel just jumped off the screen and into reality. These aren't your everyday robots, they're state-of-the-art fighters packed with technology that would blow your mind. Curious yet? Let's dive right into it. First up, the fighters themselves, the Unitree G1 robots. Imagine something that looks straight out of your favorite sci-fi movie, standing about 1.3 meters tall and weighing roughly 35 kilograms. Each of these robots is loaded with 23 motorized joints. That's 6 joints in each leg and 5 in each arm, giving them fluid, human-like movements. Think about it. Robots with the agility and balance of human fighters, able to throw roundhouse kicks and jump back up after being knocked down. Crazy, right? These robots aren't completely on their own in the ring. They're operated by human controllers using remote commands and voice instructions. It's kind of like playing a video game, but with a super intelligent robot executing your every move. But don't think this makes it easy. The robots handle balance and precise movement on their own. They can even perform acrobatic maneuvers like kip-ups, popping back to their feet instantly after being knocked down. Now let's talk about the competition itself. The event, officially titled the Mech Combat Arena, was a knockout-style MMA tournament featuring 4 Unitree G1 robots. Each match had 3 intense rounds lasting 2 minutes each. Robots scored points by landing clean punches and kicks on their opponents. A solid punch earned 1 point, while powerful kicks were worth 3 points. But watch out! If a robot hit the canvas and couldn't stand up within 8 seconds, it was penalized 10 points, or worse, disqualified completely. But here's something you probably didn't expect. The robots were geared up like real fighters, complete with helmets and boxing gloves. Not just for style, they actually protected the robots from serious damage during combat. Each bot even had a unique nickname to match their style. Names like AI Strategist, Armored Mulan, and Energy Guardian. Which one do you think won? Stick around to find out. The fights themselves were electrifying. In the semifinals, AI Strategist went head-to-head with Silk Artisan. After 2 tough rounds, AI Strategist delivered a flying knee strike so powerful, it sent Silk Artisan crashing to the canvas, winning by knockout. Meanwhile, Energy Guardian secured its place in the finals after Armored Mulan slipped early in round 3. See, even robots struggle with balance sometimes. Now, the final match between AI Strategist and Energy Guardian was an absolute nail-biter. Both robots started strong, exchanging heavy hits right from the start. But AI Strategist was relentless. It knocked down Energy Guardian in each of the 3 rounds, sealing its victory. Just imagine watching a robot confidently walk away after delivering a final knockout punch. It was like seeing the future of sports unfold right before our eyes. So, what does this mean for the future? Events like these are more than just entertainment. They're pushing the boundaries of robotics and AI technology. These competitions test everything from balance and agility to real-time decision-making and precision control. Imagine what this means for the future of robots, not just in sports, but in everyday tasks too. How long until we see robots in homes or workplaces, helping us in ways we've only dreamed of? And here's something to think about. Will we ever see robots fighting autonomously without human input? Could they even step into the ring against human opponents someday? It's a bit scary, but incredibly exciting at the same time. One thing's clear, this groundbreaking tournament is just the beginning. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely excited to see what comes next. So, what do you think? Would you watch robot MMA regularly? Or does it feel a bit too futuristic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe to catch more mind-blowing robot action.